ohmathgad.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to write equivalent expressions by combining like terms. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay guys, so the first thing you have to remember is that whenever you want to write equivalent expressions by combining like terms, you're going to see the letters, right? So the first thing is that if you can, use the distributive property if needed and combine like terms. So numbers are combined with numbers. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, right? And then variables are combined with like variables. What does this mean? This basically means that if you have 6a plus 2a, you're going to add the two letters. So 6 in 2 is going to be 8. And then you're going to put the same letter, a, right? So again, if you have 6a plus 2a, that is going to be 8a, right? Because you have the same letter. If you have 7c minus 9c, right? So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to add them. So 7 and minus 9, because they have different signs, you subtract. So 9 minus 7 is 2. And put the highest value of the highest number, which is negative 2. And then you just put the letter minus 2c. It's like saying, oh, you had $7, but you owe someone 9. So you owe $2, like total, right? You can think of it that way, or with apples or pears, anything that helps you understand this way better. Something that most people confuse, guys, is that when you have 7, for example, 7x plus 9y, this is not the same thing as saying 7 plus 9 is equal to 16xy. This is not what you do because these are not like terms. So you cannot simplify that. So 7x plus 9y cannot be simplified and you just leave it like that. Okay, it stays like that. Okay, very, very important. So you can actually add 7xy plus 9xy. That you can do. So 7xy plus 9xy is 16xy. Okay, guys, very, very important. So now let's try tackling these two problems. We have minus 5x plus 2y plus 3x. Okay, so what terms are like terms here? We have x, we have y, and we have x. The only terms that are like terms are the x's, right? So we have minus 5x plus 3x plus 2y. The 2y, I cannot do anything with it because I don't have anything with y. And then minus 5x plus 3x is going to give us a value of minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2x. And then plus 2y. And we are just going to leave it like that. And this is going to be our answer. Why? Because we cannot simplify it more. Because x and y cannot be simplified even further because they are not like terms. So they cannot be combined. So let's take a look at the next one. We have 1/3 of x plus, and then we have a parenthesis. So whenever we have this, we use the distributive property. So plus multiplied by plus, right, is going to be plus 1/6x, and plus times plus y is plus y. So what like terms do we have? We have 1/3 x and 1/6 x. And the y, we have to leave it like that because it is not an x, right? We can just add x's with x's, y's and y's together. So in this case, we have 1/3 x plus 1/6 x. So 1/3 plus 1/6 is going to give us 1/2 x plus y. And if you guys don't remember where does that 1/2 come from, is because we have 1/3 plus 1/6, and we have the common factor, the common denominator of 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, so that is 3 divided by 6. And when we simplify by 3, that gives us 1/2, which is the value that you guys can see here. So 1/2 x plus y, and we cannot do anything else. So guys, I have also included another problem in this video, which is a little bit more complex. So we have 4a minus 6b plus 3 multiplied by a minus 2b plus 3. Okay, so in this case, first we have to multiply the 3 by everything inside the parentheses because we have the distributive property going on, and then we can reduce or combine like terms. So we have 3 times a, 3 times minus 2b, and 3 times 3. So we have 4a minus 6b, and then we have 3 times a, 3a. 3 times minus 2b, so plus times negative is negative. 3 times 2 is 6, and b. And then we have 3 times 3 is plus 9. Okay, so what are the like terms? 4a plus 3a, that gives us 7a, minus 6b minus 6b is going to give us minus 12b, because they have to be added because they have the same sign, and the plus 9, which stays alone. And I cannot do anything with that plus 9 because it doesn't have any letter. So I cannot reduce it with a or b. And they cannot be reduced with each other because they are different letters. So the answer would be 7a minus 12b plus 9. Now guys, try refreshing the video, watching it over again, and try doing these problems on your own so that you can practice until you dominate this topic. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for today. See you on the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!